There might be somebody out there saying bacon doesn't go in chili. Bacon goes on birthday cake if you want it to, so stop. Bacon goes anywhere it wants.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go.
Oh, hey, just shaving. You're right. Come here. Welcome to another episode of Sizzle and Smoke. Today, it's something we've all made. We've all made it a million times. You've made it on the stove on a pot. You've made it in the slow cooker. You've even probably made it on your smoker. You've made it on your barbecue. You've done it everywhere. But you've never done it this way. Poochie's fired up even. Don't know what's going on there. We're going to make over the top chili. What does that mean? Let's find out. So we're going to start cast iron pot. We're going to put in there half of an orange pepper. Why orange, you say? Because that's what I had. We're going to go half of an onion, diced up. This is a full onion, but we're going to use half of this. 2 strips of bacon cut up. Right in there. And about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic minced. So we're going to take this and we're going to put it onto the stove and we're going to saute this until it gets cooked through. Okay, and then we're going to add all our beans and sauces and stuff to it. Okay, well, let's get this sauteed first. So now we're going to do up our meat. We got about 1.5 pounds of lean ground beef here. Nothing fancy. We're going to hit it with some W sauce, some Worcestershire. And then we're going to hit it with sizzle and smoke season. Put a tablespoon or 2 of that. Then we're going to mix it up, form it into a ball, leave it to sit in here, and that's it. Okay? All right. Our onions, peppers, garlic, and bacon are sauteed. Nicely cooked through, so they're done. So now we're going to hit everything else. We got 1 can of diced tomatoes. Dump that in there. I got 1 can of Heinz beans chili style. It's got pinto and kidney beans. There's a little bit of a pinto beans with chili spices and peppers, all in 1 can. Why not? Then I got a can of 6 bean mix, drained. I drained this one. Let that go in there. And then we got a can of tomato paste. Our pot's going to be full. So let's give that a good stir. Get everything worked through. Oh, I forgot one thing too. Can of sliced mushrooms. I like mushrooms in my chili. There might be somebody out there saying bacon doesn't go in chili. Bacon goes on birthday cake if you want it to, so stop. Bacon goes anywhere it wants. So there we go. Give this a stir. We're ready to rock and roll. In here I got 1.5 tablespoons of cumin and 2 tablespoons of chili powder. In she goes. Then we're going to take the old sizzle and smoke seasoning. Give her a good dump of that. And that's it. Now comes the over the top part. This is the crazy part. Get yourself a rack like this thing. Stick it on top. Just like that. Take your beef. Make sure she's a nice ball. And you stick it on the rack. That is going on the barbecue or the smoker just like that. We're going to stick this in the smoker at 250. We're going to cook it. As the meat's cooking, once the meat is done, we're just going to squash it back down in and into our chili, and it's done. So the meat's going to cook, get smoke above it, and it's the drippings are going to drip into the chili, which is going to add more flavor. It's all what you want, right? It's all going to be there. And away we go. I haven't done this before. I'm trying it. I am thinking I'm going to love it. But what can you say? Let's get her out of the smoker. Like I say, she's rolling at 250. It's going to take a few hours. One thing to keep an eye on is make sure your chili on the bottom doesn't get dried or burnt. So every once in a while, you're going to have to pop this off. Give it a quick stir. Make sure she's got good liquid to it and keep going. And that's where the mushroom water comes in handy. So if you need liquid, put it because it's flavor. If not, use beer. Or if you have to, just use plain water. That's fine. But use something that has a little bit of flavor to it because all it does is build more flavor profile. Right? Make sense? Perfect. Let's get this bad boy slapped on with this one. Look at that thing. Doesn't that look awesome? Hey, that looks beautiful. It's cooking along nicely. It's not quite done, but I'm just going to try and give everything a stir, make sure we're good. Chili smells excellent. Everything's dialed in. It's hot. It's good. It's dialed in. Like I say, we're about half done. About an hour, just maybe a little bit more. So we're going to leave her for another hour. And then we're going to get up into the chili. Big flame into that. So a long ways to go, but it's a little bit so you're playing fetch with the pooch. That's what she loves to do all day long. Play fetch. I'm just going to check in on our chili. It was out here a few minutes ago and I actually broke off the outer top crust. It was nicely cooked. The inside's around about 140 and I wanted to get to 160. So I took the outer off to help speed up the inside cooking, and now I'll actually get more smoke flavor into it as well. So she's looking absolutely phenomenal. So you can see I took off the outer crust. That's been put down into the chili, so now I got that ball sitting there. We're gonna let that go for a while, cook through. I haven't sampled it yet, so I don't know. I don't know what it tastes like, but it smells better than the chili you make inside of it. It's gonna work out, so we're gonna be good. So we're gonna shut this down, keep it going. We're in for probably 2.5 hours now, or how long it's taking. So we're gonna get this meat finished, we'll put it in, and it's probably gonna go for another couple hours yet until supper time, and that's what we'll have for supper tonight. I'll show you guys what's done. So it's gonna be a good 5 hours to make this chili. Let me get that lid close so we keep the heat in and smoke it. And then we'll let her bed. So she's got her skate. She loves to play fetch. That's what she does. Alrighty, we're a good 4 hours into this chili. We've taken the rack off. It's out of here. The chili's all in, stirred up, looking fantastic. This is my first sample. I haven't tried it yet. That is fantastic. I'm going to let her roll for a little bit longer yet. Probably another hour. But she's not far
that is good chili. Very good.
You ever have that one thing that you cook and it drives you nuts because it's labored on it all day? Like we're talking 5 hours now, if not more, 5 hours. Over the top chili. I'm drooling. It smells fantastic. We've all made chili. We've slow cooked it. We've pot. We've done it so many different ways. This is what we call over the top chili. We put the grate over top. We put the beef in a ball. As it cooked, I just kind of skimmed off the outside, knocking it in so that more smoke, and it got to heat evenly. I had that one sample out there before and it was fantastic. It smells good. It looks good. I'm slobbering on myself. This is a game changer. This is chili to be proud of. It is dynamite. Sassy Smokers homemade buns from yesterday. I'm gonna dip that in there. That is fantastic. That is over the top chili. That is so good. I know why it's called over the top. Not because there's a rack and there's over top, it's because it is next level chili. It's over the top than any other chili you've done. You got to make this to understand why it's called over the top. That's all I'm going to say. I'm going to leave it at that. Eat it, get it in you, make it. You won't be disappointed. I guess I'm having supper now. Oh, beer time too. Right, Rebellion lentil will go perfect with this. That would be the only thing I would have changed is I would have put beer into my chili, but I didn't need it. I had enough other liquid. It's not too dry now. It's perfect. So I didn't need to add beer to it, but I would have. Beer chili is excellent, so I'll just drink it instead. I'll save the beer and drink it. Till next time, peeps. Keep it real, keep it simple, keep smoking.